Hello, my name is Nolan. This is my teacher, Miss Matsuda, and we were practicing our multiplication skills a few weeks ago, and then she said 6 times 7 is 42, and then I said 42 Jackie Robinson, 42 the famous Dodger player, because he's the first black person to ever play baseball in the world.
In the major leagues?
Yeah, in the major leagues.
Yeah, and he played for your favorite team.
The Dodgers, but they're Brooklyn
At the time.
instead of LA, yeah. And
he jumped out of his desk. He
Yeah.
just leaped up and shouted out, 42, that's Jackie Robinson's number. It was so exciting. And I was working so hard at trying to find a way to help them remember this and strategies. You know, I'm big on strategies. And so I was teaching them, well, if you can't remember what 6 times 6 is, you could do, 6 times 7, excuse me. You could do 6 times 6 is
36.
plus 6 more.
Yeah, or you could do 6 times 5 plus, and then 6 times 2 equals 12, and then you add these two together, 42, and I was like, 42 Jackie Robinson.
I don't think we'll ever forget what 6 times 7 is. And, you know, these strategies are so much better than skip counting.
Yeah.
6, 12, 18, 24.
But we found a better strategy than this.
Even better,
Jackie
using history.
Robinson, using history. History with math.
Jackie Robinson came to our math class. Look, there it is. It's bold as day. So I said, we need to get a jersey, Nolan. And he said, don't worry, I got you. And he brought this. And so often during math, I'll even put this on. And we just will never forget that. So then we had to watch a video on YouTube on the history of Jackie Robinson.
And it was illustrated by a kid.
Yeah.
It was made by a kid.
A kid did it. Yeah, that's right. It was so good. You could do one someday.
Yeah.
Well, you are. You're doing one right now.
Yeah, I'm doing one right now.
So we just wanted to share that with you because we thought maybe your students would enjoy learning the history of Jackie Robinson. And we have to end with the baseball song. So we're going to sing that for you right now. Take me out to the ball game. Take me out to the crowd. Buy me some peanuts and Cracker Jacks. I don't care if I ever get back, 'cause it's root for the Dodgers. If we don't win, it's a shame, 'cause it's 1, 2, 3 strikes, you're out at the old ball game. I'm Janine Matsuda, and this is my 4th grade class.
Don't forget to like and